Alright, I'm out here at Willingham Drive in West End, Cobbtown, Alabama. I got some upgrades here. In fact, I believe this is now the first fully LED crossing on the Memphis District East End, as you'll see here shortly, and you may have already noticed. But anyways, this signal right here, it's a full 90s install. I'm just getting this because it's an update video here. But I haven't filmed this crossing before, but it is documented on the site, as you'll see linked below. But anyways, here is the first signal. This is just a full 90s signal from NS. As you can see, the lights on this signal are now LED with GE uniform look LEDs in the lights. Bill up top, by the way, SafeTran Type 3, and still got the NEG LED gate lights. There's back one of the heads showing you the Hawker branding. Here's a mid-90s SafeTran gate mech. And here is the rear LEDs, as you can see. But yeah, GE uniform look LEDs in those lights. Oh, we got something coming east. That just upgraded to advanced approach. So I'll head eastwards here in a bit. Anyways, here's the other signal. As you can see, this one's brand new. I replaced another 90s signal like the other one, though I believe the other one that was over here had GSE bill, if I recall correctly. So yeah, as I said, brand new signal here. As you can see, it's got a Siemens base. Got a Siemens gate mechanism, most likely an S40. This is Siemens imprint, as you can see. Light brackets still branded with SafeTran. I know some Siemens branded brackets have started showing up, but I believe the light heads still have the SafeTran branding on them. Anyways, this signal has all SafeTran 12 by 20 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them. There's the back of one of the heads. There's a close-up one of the LED modules. The bell up top is a General Signals electronic bell, most likely a GS Type 3. And then we got Ricoh gate lights right here. I assume LED, but they could be incandescent. But yeah, like I said, this is the East End District. That way's looking east. The Norfolk Southern East End District. That way's looking east towards Atlanta. That way's looking west towards Birmingham. And here is an overview looking south. Here's the front of that signal. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video showing the upgrade here at Willingham Drive in West End, Cobbtown, Alabama. Over and out.